Question is, do you know of any activity which may be polluting this water source? So water source mean, like in the previous question, so there was question, right, like what is the major source of fresh water in your city, town and village where you live, right? So that is like previous question. So in this question they are asking about like any activity which may be polluting this water source. So as I said in the previous question, like the major source of water, it is like river, right? In my area it is a river. Okay, so what are the like activities? So obviously activities can be of like many type. So first, all the discharge of wastewater from the homes, from the industries, from the hospital. So if it is going into the river, so it is polluting this freshwater source, am I right? So all the homes, so all the waste from the homes, like from the kitchen, from the like toilet, from the bathroom, so that is known as wastewater. From the industries, so it is known as effluent. So from all the industry, whatever there is a wastewater, so it is known as effluent. Why? Because effluent means all the chemicals if it is coming from the industries, so that waste is known as effluent. Okay, so effluent means you can write it as like effluent. Okay, so it is known as effluent, that waste which is coming out from industries. If I talk about the waste which is coming out from hospital, so from the hospital, from the toilet there is a wastewater obviously, but there are certain, you can say, other waste, and that waste is also known as biomedical waste. Okay, like blood, like syringes, all these things, so it is also known as biomedical waste. So if this biomedical waste is going into the like river, so obviously all these waste polluting our water sources, right, which may be of river, pond and lake. Okay, and from the home it is as simple wastewater. Okay, so all these are the like activities which may be polluting this water source. I hope it is clear.